So hi guys, back again with another SQL injection attack. And in this we have to list the database contents on non-Oracle databases. Basically, we have to log in as an administrator. So for this, I just captured the request here. And let's put a single quote and try to send a request, and let's see if we get 500 server error or not. And here, so the input from the user is directly inserted in the SQL query. So let's try to craft and payload for that, a payload for that. Union that binds to select, and in the previous video, we solved a lab related to identifying columns and what uh, values they expect from the SQL query. So let's try that here now. No. And remember to comment rest of the query. Let's put that paste and let's try send. Okay, so we got 200. Okay, let's try to put single quote here and be here. Basically, we're doing this to check that both of the columns are accepting string as a value or not. And yes, they are. So let's craft a payload to identify the column names first, and then we can list the content in the tables for our convenience. So let's copy this. And here, let's select table name from information underscore schema dot tables. So basically, information schema dot tables is a table in the non-Oracle database that have all the information about the tables in the database. Just try to put that and see what we get. Okay. Okay. So this gonna list all the tables in the database. Here we can see that. And if we try to do random, if that works, okay. These are all the databases being stored or used in the database. So in this, we have to find a juicy table that can be anything. Let's try to find users table. Here is the table. Let's copy that. And let's try to list the column names of this table. We found this is the table name. Let's copy this and try to craft improved version of our SQL injection. And select. Now we have to users table. So we can use the outputted column names to retrieve from the table. So union select column name and from information schema columns where table underscore name is equal to this single quote. So this will list the column names of the users table. I hope the syntax is okay. Syntax is, let's try to render. Okay, the password column name is this, and let's see if there is any other. Let's write it down here. One is this, and what is the second one? Here, and this is the second one for username. User something. Now we just have to put this these names in the column. So first is username. Let's replace column name with username table name, and password with this. You need to select username, password from information schema table. Let's hope the syntax is correct. I think single quote. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Something is wrong. We're getting internal server error. Give me a second. So we can remove this information schema table. This is the correct payload. Let's try to find, okay, callers, and this is the password for callers, and administrator, and this is the password for administrator. Let's copy this and try to log in the lab. So we solved the lab. Here you can see we got the congratulations message. Thanks for watching, and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you.